Today I'm in conversation with Dr. Divya Rani, Deputy Director, Presidency Makerspace. Makerspace is making a lot of headlines in the campus. But what exactly is Makerspace? Ma'am will tell us.
At Presidency University, the innovation starts from the first year itself. We offer them a project-based learning course, so where students will engage in hands-on experiments on embedded boards, sensors, and other interfaces using softwares like embedded C, Python, 3D printers, PCB, and many more. As a part of this course, students work in a team to build a prototype of advanced level project where they address the real world challenges with the cutting edge technologies. So at the end of the semester, nearly 500 projects will be evaluated by the industry panelists to identify top 10 and then best societal, best industry relevant projects.
So this is where the real action happens.
So this experience, the innovation experience, gets the confidence, makes the students to tackle all the real world challenges and then compete in many national and international level hackathons and make our university very proud. Our Presidency Makerspace nurtures entrepreneurship through Presidency Launchpad, and we have a pre-incubation program which supports them in workspace, business strategy plan, industrial support and industrial mentoring support, as well as helping them to transform their ideas into industry products and bring them to marketplace.
You all are working on this?
Yeah, we are. On Humanoid, currently with 3 people are working, me, Satvik and Aditya. Then on Robodog is Dashmi, Hemant and Harsha. They are working on Robodog, and Wally is for Abhiram, Vamshi, and Bhuvan was one of our best member for all of this.
Can you please explain the mechanism of this humanoid and at what level is this humanoid right now, if I may ask?
He's the guy, Satvik, working on the software part.
So currently I can say that we are on the second level. The first level where we have tried to communicate with the hardware. So we are the second level where we can try to make it do some basic actions such as raising the hands, moving the face and everything. And currently which is successfully completed. Now we are going to the third level where we are going to tell the sequence, like we are going to explain that, okay, say hi. I'm not going to exactly say what and all, how to move your hands and everything.
Can we try something?
Currently we are writing sequences where whatever we felt, we are currently hard coding it. First thing mainly is that communicate with the hardware and then do basic actions. And then the third level comes where it actually tries to perceive the environment and then act accordingly, which is under process.
The final calibration and motors synchronization is still remaining, but yeah, as you must have seen that handshake and all that process is working along with the face recognition, that it will be able to recognize different people along with your voices and all that. That is under process. It will be integrated too soon.
And the robo that you were talking about?
We have integrated a robodog where it is automated robodog for the security guards.
Can we see it?
Yes, ma'am.
So as you can see, we have 3 functions over here, which is the stand, sit and full sit.
Okay. Can we try it?
Yeah, we can try. So whenever I give a sit command, it basically starts to sit by itself by adjusting itself.
Okay.
Now this is the sit, normal sit position. And then when we click on stand, it comes front, tries to adjust itself for the place, and then it tries to stand. And again when we click on full sit, it goes to its normal place, the default position. So this is the currently thing which we are working on, and then we are trying to calibrate like what is the servo angle and then how can we make it to move. And the further software part will be explained by Harsha.
Yes, sir.
So we are using this thing like Python programming language and this thing for actually we are using this thing OpenCV for this thing face recognition and all, and we are using this thing Fayaz for it will give the this thing how many frames and all are there. And we actually for now the this thing basic part is ready, this thing half seat full seat and all. So this thing pending work is, so we'll integrate this OpenCV code with the Raspberry Pi.
All right, I see a very, very interesting Wally here. If someone can tell me something about this.
Yeah, ma'am. This is one of the greatest invention which we guys have done now. It was inspired by the movie called Wally from the Disney. and it is like an interactive robot where it will interact to the we are designed for the students, so it can interact to the students, and it give the response accordingly. And
One question that's coming to my mind is where did you get all this material from? Like, how did you make this?
It's totally made in PU. It has been totally printed from scratch in our own lab, PU lab, innovation lab. We have various 3D printers which are customized as per our own requirements. All the custom parts are designed in PU and they are also printed by us. The circuitry is also made by us.
That's very, very interesting, and no wonder Makerspace is making all the right noises, and there is a lot more that is happening in this sphere which you will be seeing in the videos to follow.